Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my March lineup of kits to share with you all. I think it's pretty finalized and I don't really see myself changing any of the kits out. I think I kind of got them spot on, but we shall see. This is a tentative kit lineup. March is going to be a fairly busy month for me with I'm working extra days and also like every weekend except for one. I think I've got like a million things going on. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this first kit. I'm not gonna take it out, but this is the XOXO kit from Scribble Prints Co. that I'm using for February, the end of February into March. And I mentioned this and I talked about this one in my February lineup just because it's still got like that lovey-dovey theme for like the last 2 days of February. Trying to milk the love kits as much as I can this year. So yeah, that's basically the beginning of March. So the other 4 kits I will go in depth about. So let me pull them out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got 4 kits for the month of March. This first one is Cloud Busting from Scribble Prints Co. I think they're all Scribble Prints Co. kits. Yes, they are. So I don't remember when this one came out, but this one came out a while ago. And so it is, I may as well take it out of the plastic. Let me put this here. Yeah, so it's a very like ethereal pastel colored kit, and I thought it would be perfect for the week that my friend Kelly actually comes to New York, because it's got like little horoscope things on it, and we're just like into the stars and moons, and I feel like it fit the vibe. And we're gonna have like a little sleepover because she's gonna be visiting some other friends that she has in New York, so I won't see her till the end of the weekend, but we're gonna have a little sleepover. So I thought it was the kind of perfect kit. I never noticed there was like a face in here. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a little figure. Is it supposed to be a figure? Or is that an accident? I think it's supposed to be there. So yeah, so then we got the washi. So this kit came out when the washi, I think the washi still is separate actually. Fancy labels look like this, and then the extra boxes and some extra boxes here. And so the foil that I'm pairing with this one is Sparkly Hollow. So it's this like celestial pattern. It was one of the foil bundles. I have Sparkly Hollow individual foil items, but I figured if I have a bundle and it's perfect because it has the stars and moons on it, why not use it? And then it has just like the little confetti dots, which I'm okay with. And then the washi, plus it came, well, you could order separately this like sampler of the labels. And I love these so much, especially using them in the sidebars. So that is Cloud Busting for the week of, which week? March 6th to March 12th. Let me stick this one back in, if it'll go. I'm putting it at too much of an angle. Sorry, I'm gonna make you witness this. I wanna see if I can do this video in one take. The only way I see it going wrong is if someone comes from upstairs, because I'm shy, as we learned in my last plan with me. So for the week of March 13th to March 19th, Andrea is actually coming here to New York, and also her friend Bree, my friend Bree too. So they're both coming to New York, and I decided to use the theater kit. We are going to see a show, but I think for the most part we've all decided that we're gonna see a show, we're gonna eat some good food, and then we're gonna chill. So I also haven't seen Andrea in like 3 years, so I'm very, very excited for this week. And I know we're only going to see one show, but I missed my opportunity to use this kit for Broadway week, just because I had the base put down already and it wasn't worth the effort to take it up. So I'm like, this is my perfect opportunity to use it. I think there was like a few other kits I could have used this week, but sticking with this one, I thought it would be really good. So so these aren't the boxes that came with the kit. Like this is not the setup of the boxes, but I did rearrange them. So these are the kind of the full boxes that I want to use. Although I might take out the Wicked one. I was gonna use it the week I saw Wicked with Nick, but yeah. So I might switch it out. Maybe not for that one. I don't want to use that one. And I'm pretty sure I threw out all like the extras, so maybe I'll just use the Wicked one, but we shall see. Maybe there's an extra box somewhere in here. Okay, well that's Hamilton. Oh, there's a... Oh, maybe I'll just use her. Yeah, I could use her. That could work. And so instead of the Wicked box, I'll just use a third fashion option. And then for this one, I am using the Sparkly Hollow and Silver Foil Bundle. I was watching Andrea's February lineup, and she's also using this kit as of right now. And she was going through all the foil options, and I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use gold. And then I was like, I kind of want to use silver. And then she said that the silver and the Sparkly Hollow looked kind of like lights. I know the gold and sparkly, like the champagne gold, that one would look nice too, but something about the silver kind of pulled me in a little bit more, just because I think more some of the cooler toned colors in here. So this is the kit that I decided to go to. Make it look like Broadway is shining, essentially. What is this? Oh, okay. I was like, all these little bars are silver, and then this one was Sparkly Hollow, so I got a little confused. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use, and got all these things. So pretty. We love a mixed metal moment these days. Okay, so that is for March 13th to March 19th, when Andrea and Brie are here. Oops, stick this back in. I'm becoming a pro, you guys. Okay, and then so the next week is my mom's birthday. It is her 55th birthday, and I am using this glam kit, which is also an oldie but a goodie from Scribble Prints Co. I was going through a lot of my kits to see if I can like use some stuff up, because I have this bad habit of just hoarding kits. Sometimes I just like how the kit looks and I like the art and stuff, and I wanna have the kit, but I know I'm never gonna use it, which is a lot of the pop culture ones. But I just feel bad having them and never using them. So yeah, this is the glam kit from Scribble Prints Co. Very rich, very classy, very chic. I thought it would be really nice for my mom's birthday. And I like these colors, very neutral. My mom loves a good brown. She also likes a good red, but I went with the more neutral ones here. So yeah, very pretty. And then these are the extras, so the washi, the labels, and then these boxes right here. So I will be using gold for this kit. Probably like the overlays and everything will just be like the standard classic confetti one, you know, like the little dots. And then I ordered a honeycomb underlay pattern from Plan With Me Stickers that isn't here yet, but I'm gonna be using it with this kit because it kind of, so like I liked the honeycomb pattern, and it kind of looked like tile at a fancy hotel bathroom. And I was like, not that this is giving bathroom vibes, but I feel like, you know what I mean? Like it's just like the really like tile pattern that goes with like all the white and marble in this kit. So yes, that is for the week of March 20th to March 26th. And then finally, I am so excited for this week, but also that I finally get to use this kit. So for the week of March 27th to April 2nd, oh my god, and then it's a month before my birthday, I am using the Blair kit, which is art museum kit. Gorgeous art. I was obsessed when it came out, and I almost used it sometime in 2022, and then I was like, no, there's gonna be a perfect occasion for it. There will come a time and I'll use it in 2023, and there is. So this week my mom and I are going to Washington DC together, and it's gonna be like a very low-key thing. We're gonna go to museums, we're gonna eat some food, and this is literally what this kit is, so I'm super glad I saved it. I love the teal, I love the peach color. All it's missing is a lavender, and it would be like my perfect color combo, but I love, 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 love this color combo. But yeah, so we're going in DC, and it's gonna be really nice. There's also like the cherry blossom kit that I could have used, because I think the cherry blossoms are blooming actually the time that we go. But I feel like it would be a wasted opportunity to not use a kit with all these museums if I'm not, like, you know, like, if I'm going to all these museums, I need to use a museum kit. So I just decided to actually use the cherry blossom kit the next week. You'll see that in the April lineup if it's still what I decide to use, because it's also the week of Easter, and I don't celebrate Easter, but I do love little bunnies. So these are the extras, and then here's another set of extras. And then the foil that I'm using with it is going to be a mixed metal moment again. Is every week? No, just the two. Two of them are mixed metal, yeah. Let me open this up. So this is the matte bronze and matte silver mixed metal situation. Oh, I'm not gonna be using these underlays. The underlays I'm gonna be using are actually these from Planet Hannah. They're the Art Deco ones, and I have one sheet in gold and one sheet in silver. And I just feel like it looks so good. Like, it's gonna look so nice with this kit. It's just gonna elevate it from the beauty that it already is to something even grander. So I'm super excited to lay this kit down and actually fill it out and see what it looks like. It's gonna be beautiful, I already know. And it's gonna also be an exciting week because I love going to museums. The last time I went to DC was like in 2021, and it was me and a bunch of other people, and we all didn't have the same like museum styles. Basically, I like to read all the plaques and everything until I get bored, but that takes a very, very long time because I love just absorbing all that information. So now with my mom, she's like, yeah, we can literally go to all the museums and go at your own pace. She's like, I just want to go somewhere. And I'm like, okay, that's awesome. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, that is all my kits planned for the month of March. Like I said, I don't think any of these are going to be changing, but you never know. Especially, but if I put the base down, then it's definitely not changing because I don't have, oh, sneaky peeks. I don't have it in me to remove stickers. I did one time, and that was worth it last year for my birthday party week. Not my birthday week, but my birthday party week, because Andre came out with like the perfect kit. So yeah. That is all my kits planned for the month of March. Let me know what you guys are using and if we're twinning on any of the kits. I have a feeling this is a unique combination of kits for March, but again, you never know. So let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!